Good morning, students. I wish you all that your cup of the tea filled with the lots of blessings today. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start our new chapter. That is chapter number 8, Fur. We are not going to do our chapter number 7. So here we are with our chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is Fur. Fur क्या होता है अभी? Fur is that birds are having. Birds are having feathers, right? Then what that feathers are called? That feathers are called fur. क्या बोलते हैं feathers को? Fur. Now let's see and understand about birds. Birds are the animals that can fly. Birds are the animals that can fly. Their body is divided into three parts: head, trunk, and a tail. They have two pair of limbs. How many limbs? Two pair of limbs. First is the legs and the wings. And in the human body also we are having two limbs, upper limb and lower limbs. Similarly in birds also they are having two pairs of limbs. What are that? That are the legs and the wings are their limbs of the body. They have two legs but no hands. आप सबने birds देखी होंगी, उनको hands होते हैं? नहीं, उनको hands नहीं होते हैं. They have only two legs. Now their wings are covered with feathers. उनके wings होते हैं, है ना? उड़ने के लिए क्या होते हैं birds के पास? Wings होते हैं. तो वो wings किससे covered होते हैं? Feathers से covered होते हैं. Their mouth is called as a beak, as our mouth is called as the mouth. But birds के mouth को क्या बोलेंगे? Beak. What are they called? Beak. But don't have teeth at all. Birds को teeth नहीं होते हैं. A bird can fly because क्यों bird fly कर सकती है? It has a light body. उनकी body कैसी होती है? Light body होती है एकदम. इसीलिए वो क्या कर सकते हैं? Fly कर सकते हैं. It has a streamline body. It has a streamline body means, what do you mean by streamline? Streamline means graceful, elegant, means एकदम beautiful body. And they have wings to fly. That's why a bird can fly in the sky. Now what is next? Okay, now we will see parts of a bird. Now different parts of the birds are, first is the head. See, this is the head of the bird. Next is the eye. This is the eye. Now these are the wings. Now this is the feathers. Wings are covered with the feather. Now पीछे ये जो है ना, ये this one is the tail of the bird. And what is this? This is the beak of the bird. And the last is the claws. Claws means their two legs of the birds are known as the claws of the birds. These were the parts of a bird. Okay. Now next, birds are different from each other in size, color, shape, body parts, food, etc. Birds are different. Every bird is different. As we all human beings are different, so birds are also different. Every bird has wings. Now every bird has a wings. Most birds can fly. Now most of the birds can fly. Some few are the birds which are having the heavy weight. They cannot fly very high, but they can fly. Not very high, but they can fly. Every bird has a beak. Now every bird has a beak to eat. As उनका mouth क्या है? Beak है. तो इसीलिए every bird has a beak to eat. It holds its food in the beak to consume it. What does the bird do? Holds the food in the beak to eat it. The beaks of the birds are not same. Now, what about the beaks? Beaks of the every bird is different. Each beak is different according to the bird's need. Now, each beak is different according to the need of that. Some birds have short beak, while the other have the long beak. Some birds have the flat beaks, while the other have the crooked beaks. Now, what do you mean by crooked? Now, आपको पता है short, long and strong beak, flat beak सब मालूम है. Crooked means थोड़ा सा ऊपर से ऐसे turned beak. That is called the crooked beak. Now we will discuss about the beaks of the bird. I will show you some of the birds' beaks. We will discuss about beaks. A bird uses its beaks to catch and eat food. किसके लिए bird अपनी beak use करती है? To catch and eat the food. Birds such as sparrow and the pigeon eats nuts and seeds. These birds have strong, short and hard beak. Now, sparrow and pigeons, what they eat? They eat the seeds and the nuts. Hard nuts they eat. So, their beak is very strong, short and hard. How? किसकी बीक है शॉर्ट, स्ट्रॉन्ग और हार्ड? स्पैरो एंड पिजन की. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ नेक्स्ट, वाटर बर्ड्स सच एज डक्स एंड गूस हैव ब्रॉड एंड फ्लैट बीक. सी, इनकी बीक कैसी है? ब्रॉड और फ्लैट है. किसकी? वाटर बर्ड्स की. कौन कौन से वाटर बर्ड्स? डक्स एंड goose. Next, flesh eating birds. Now, birds eat flesh also. Which birds eat flesh? Such as eagle, vulture and hawk feed on small birds and animals. They eat small birds and animals. They have strong, sharp and hooked beak for tearing the flesh. Now see, hooked and crooked is the same thing. See, this means this round is the hooked beak and they have very strong beak. So, they are able to eat the flesh. Flesh means they eat the small insects and animals. Now next, birds such as woodpecker have strong and pointed beaks. Whoopie uses its beak to look for the food inside existing tree holes. Now this is the woodpecker. He has a strong beak. He or she has a strong beak. And this one is whoopie. Whoopie की beak कैसी है? एकदम long and flat. And वो किसके लिए अपने use करता है this beak? कि trees के holes में अगर कोई food है तो उसको खाने के लिए या उसमें ढूंढने के लिए he uses his beak. Now next, we'll talk about the neck of the birds. The neck. Okay, the neck movements in the birds is also different. The neck movement is also different. Now let's see. A manna moves its head by jerking it forward and backward. She can move the forward and the backward. See, this is the manna. She can move her neck, forward and backward, but an owl can rotate its neck fully backward. See, this is the owl. I am showing you in this picture that he has rotated his neck fully backward. Fully backward he has rotated his neck. So, some of the birds can only look forward and backward, while the other birds can rotate its necks very smoothly. They can they can turn their beak to the full to the backward also. Okay students, so clear with the neck and the beak part. Now we will see different birds make different sounds. As we have learned this in your second standard, that the sounds of the animals. So you all know every bird has a different sound. Now let's see some of the examples. A sparrow trips. A sparrow trips. A pigeon coos. A cow. A crow cows. Crow क्या करते हैं? Cow cow. A cuckoo sings. A peacock screams. A peacock screams. Now in this we learnt about the sounds of our bird. Now let's learn about the food they eat. Food of birds can be grains, roti and small insects. What birds can eat? They can eat grains, rotis and small insects. Some birds kill and eat the other small birds or creatures as their food. Some of the birds eat, as we discussed earlier also, that some of the birds eat the small insects and animals, but they also kill the small birds and eat that. Some birds eat the flesh of the dead creatures and help to keep the earth clean. Now they eat the flesh of the dead creatures. When the creature is dead, they eat the flesh of that animal or bird and they keep the earth clean. If they will eat that, the earth will remain clean. Now what about this? Parrot and bulbuls break fruits into pieces and eat them. Now what do parrot and bulbul do? They eat the fruits. What they do? They eat fruits. How do they eat? They cut them into the pieces and they eat them. Now cranes and ducks swallow fish. What do they eat? Cranes and ducks are the water birds. They eat the swallowed fishes. Sparrow, pigeons and manna eat the grains and the small insects. What do sparrow, pigeon and mannas eat? They eat the small grains and the small insects. Now next, birds are useful in the following ways. Now how are the birds useful in our life? Now birds like crow and vulture eat the flesh of the dead animals and keep the earth clean. They are known as the nature cleaner. क्या बोलते हैं इन बर्ड्स को जो खाती हैं flesh of the dead animals? Nature cleaner. A hen gives eggs. What do the hen gives us? She gives us eggs. Some of the people eat eggs and they are healthy also. Birds like manna eat insects, get rid of many insects harmful to crops and help farmers. Now what do manna do? मैना क्या करती है? वो फार्मर्स को हेल्प करती है क्या करने में? इंसेक्ट्स खा जाती है ताकि क्रॉप जो ग्रो कर रहे हैं वो स्पॉइल ना हो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो मैना ईट्स दिस इंसेक्ट्स एंड शी सेव्स आवर crops and helps the farmers. Now birds are helpful in the dispersal of the seeds. They are also helpful in dispersal of the seeds. Now how should we take care of birds? How should we take care of birds? Put the grains on birds feed platform. Now as we all know that government is making the platform for the birds, in that you should put the grains for the birds to eat. Fill the water regularly in the vessels kept for birds. If there is some of the vessels kept for the birds, you should fill the water there regularly. We'll take good care of the injured birds. Those birds are injured, we should take the good care of them. Not break birds' nest. Means if they are making the nest, we should not break their nest. Okay, so what we discussed in this? We discussed about the beaks, about the usefulness of the birds, what they eat, and how should we take care of the birds, and the different sounds of the birds also we discussed. So this is all about your lesson number 8, that is fur. Thank you. Have a nice day.